Hi guys, I'm Crystal over at the Brick Wall Shop. I'm a part-time reseller over at the Poshmark app. If you click down below, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. That would be great. Last week I did an unboxing of a ThredUP rescue box of name brand handbags. I got this really nice Dooney and Burke handbag that I have listed, and I kind of hope it doesn't sell because I'm kind of thinking I want to keep it. I also wanted to update you guys because I got this handbag, actually this Longchamp handbag, and found out it is a knockoff and not authentic. So I wrote to ThredUP and told them what had happened and that it wasn't real and, you know, what they could do. So I was offered 30% off, or 30% back. Not really happy with that. It's like $20 back. I really wanted another handbag, so I asked for another one. Took several days to get back on whether they could give me a replacement, and I just got an email back saying no, they can't replace it, and again, they'd like to offer me 30% back. Whatever, I'm a little disappointed because I'd rather have another handbag that I could try to sell than $20, because I think I'd make more than that. Anyway, today I got another ThredUP rescue box. This is a DIY denim box. I also got one last week. I didn't unbox it, but I did get most things listed. I still have this pair and a couple other pairs that I haven't listed yet, but I'm not sure how well they'll sell. Anyway, so this one I did open the box, took a quick peek, but I haven't really gone through it. So here it is. Whoops, upside down. But here it is. So this one doesn't have any tissue paper like normal. The invoice, I did get this pen that they were doing like a promotion. Maybe they're still doing it, where you get this pen that says used. I wear used clothes. Anyway, let's get started. So first we have a Levi denim jacket. My last box had all jeans. Regular, just straight, dark wash, light wash, all regular jeans. This I noticed has some color in there, so we'll see. This is a basic pair of vintage matchstick jeans. I don't know that brand, so we'll see. I'll have to look up comps for that. I have a vanity denim skirt. Last time I didn't have any legs. Like, I've seen some other people with like just cut off legs. Didn't have any of that. Haven't seen any yet, but we shall see. Pair of an express dark wash jeans with the zipper on them. I don't really know how well express jeans sell. Guess I'll find out. Next, we have a pair of Lee Riders. They're quite big. They're 24. Shorts, like Bermuda shorts, I think. Maybe they're capris. do sell some plus size clothes. So we'll see. A pair of Gap maternity jeans. I do have a lot of maternity clothes. These are size 12, not a normal size that I carry in my closet, only because most of the maternity clothes that I have are in my closet are my own personal clothes, because I had a baby 8 months ago and she's my second and last. So those clothes are gone. Another pair of Gap jeans. These are very similar to a pair I got in my last box. And everything seems like it's in pretty decent condition, but last time I got a couple pairs at Joe's. I got some Citizens. So far, I don't see anything like that. Here's a pink pair. Rich? I don't know. I don't know this brand. If you know this brand, let me know down in the comments there. I'll have to look up comps for that. Must have been the same person that sent these in, because same thing in yellow. I don't know, do people wear yellow jeans right now? I don't know. I mean, I have a pair of like coral jeans. I mostly wear just dark wash. I don't know if I call this denim. This is a, well, I guess so. It's a Chico's like jacket, but the sleeves don't look, they look like 3/4 sleeves, and it has like a lot of embroidery, sequins. It's not something I sell, but I sell a variety of things. It's a size 0. I don't know if it'll sell. Probably why it's in this box. Her white Sonoma shorts. I don't know how well these will do. We'll see. Gloria Vanderbilt. Khaki color. I had a pair of purple pants that I got that sat in my closet forever. They were brand new with tags. I finally got rid of them. I think I might have sold them for like $12, $15. I just wanted them gone. I was happy to get whatever. Okay, here's a pair of J. Crew toothpick. I don't know, there's something on the pant leg here, but just scratching it's coming off. So has a tiny little flaw there. But maybe, you know, J. Crew sometimes sells for me, so we'll see. And last, so I have a pair similar to these, BDG. I don't know these brands. Got a reddish coral like color. Not as excited about this box as the last one. Let's see how many items I got. So this is 15 pounds DIY denim box. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry guys. 11, 12, 13. I got 14 items. Last time I got the same number, I got 14 items. I don't know whether I'm going to make my money back on this one. If you like anything, let me know down below. It's going to take me a while to get this listed because I have a friend coming in town. I have to go pick her up in like 45 minutes. So I'm going to give this video to my husband. Hopefully he will get it edited for me and I can post it this weekend. If not, you'll have to wait until my friend leaves. Anyway, Again, subscribe below. You like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You could also find me on Instagram over at the Brick Wall Shop. And thanks for tuning in. Oh, and one more thing. Next week, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, I have 2 boxes coming from ThredUP that I'm going to do a comparison. One is a 5-pound DIY jewelry box. The other one is 24 pieces. I did look at the shipping. I ordered them within 5 minutes of each other. One is coming next Wednesday and the other one's Friday. It seems like they come a day earlier. Anyway, the 24 pieces is 2.6 pounds and the other one is 5 something. So compare, let you know which one's better. Stay tuned.